Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to make a general revision on units 2 and 3. Let's start with complete the following sentences. Number 1. The potential energy of a body depends on weight of an object and its height because potential energy equal weight times height. Number 2. What are examples of microorganisms that live in water? We have three examples of microorganisms: Paramecium, Euglena, and Amoeba. Number 3. In the dynamo, what energy changes into what energy? In the dynamo, kinetic energy, or you can say mechanical energy, changes into electric energy. And we have to differentiate between dynamo and electric motor because electric motor opposite to the dynamo. In electric motor, electric energy changes into kinetic energy. Number 4. Mechanical energy of an object equal the summation of potential energy and kinetic energy. The what is from energy resources, while what is a form of energy. Energy resources like the sun, like coal, okay, while energy forms as sound energy, light energy, heat energy, potential energy, etc. Number 6. From plants that reproduce by formation of spores, we have two examples, Vogare and Adiantum. Heat is carried from the electric heater to our bodies by. In the electric heater, heat can transfer by convection or radiation. The locust belongs to insects. Insects have 3 pairs of jointed legs, whereas scorpion belongs to arachnids because it has 4 pairs of jointed legs. In the simple cell, the positive pole is, we have positive pole copper plate and negative pole zinc plate. Secreting sweat by skin is considered from excellent functional adaptation. We have 3 types of adaptation: functional, structural, and behavior adaptation. Secreting sweat is a functional adaptation. Give reason for each of the following. The heater is placed on the ground. We know that when air is heated, its density decreases, so it rises up to warm the room, while cold air of higher density falls down to be heated again, and so on. Heron bird has long and thin beaks. Why? Heron feed on worms and snails of shallow water, so it have long thin beaks to pick up worms and snails. Some desert animals tend to make estivation. We know that estivation happens in summer. So some animals like jerboa, like desert snail, to overcome extreme rise in temperature and shortage of water and rain, so they make estivation. Potential energy increases by increasing the height where the object reaches. Why? Because potential energy equal weight times height, so it's directly proportional to the height of an object. Mention an example of each of the following. A teethless mammal. We have sloth. Permanent resource of energy. The only permanent resource of energy is the sun. Dicotyledon plant. We have beans and bees, and they are angiosperms plant. Angiosperms, seeds formed inside a fruit envelope. A plant of large leaves, banana plant. An animal that has no body support, it's soft bodies, which is jellyfish. We have jellyfish, octopus, and worms. What happens if doubling the speed of a moving object concerning kinetic energy? By increasing speed, kinetic energy increase, and because kinetic energy equal half times mass times speed power 2, so when the speed is doubled, kinetic energy increases 4 times its value. Rubbing your hands together, it's friction, so kinetic energy changes into heat energy by friction. The front limbs of bats are not modified into wings. They will not become unable to fly. They become unable to fly. Write the scientific term. The ability to exert work, ability to do work, excellent energy. The basic classification unit for living organisms, okay, species. The form of energy stored in a battery. In a battery, chemical energy. The stored energy in a battery, chemical energy. Plants that cannot be distinguished into root, stem, and leaves. We have algae. We have three examples: green algae, red algae, and brown algae. Energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it's converted from one form to another. It's conservation law of energy. The way by which heat transfers through solids. Excellent conduction. We have three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction through solids, convection through liquids and gases, and radiation, it doesn't need of material medium, and through gases it can transfer through gases by convection and radiation. The last question is problems. If an object, its mass 2 kg, move at speed 5 meter per second, so kinetic energy equal half times mass times speed power 2. Excellent. Half times mass equal 2 times 5 power 2 equal 25 joule. You have to write the rule and unit. Calculate the potential energy of an object, its mass 4 kg, placed at 5 meter height. Its acceleration due to gravity equal 10 meter per second square. First, to calculate potential energy, we must calculate first its weight. Weight equal mass times acceleration due to gravity, so 4 times 10 equal 40 Newton. Potential energy equal weight times height, 40 times 5 equal 200 joule. At the end, good luck dear students, and thank you.